Hi, I'm Melissa, and today I am going to show you a super easy way to use EyeSense pencil liner. So today I am using a navy liner, and this is from SeneGence. So this liner is a pencil type liner that you can twist up or twist down. So you don't have to use a sharpener. And I'm just going to apply this on one eye by the lash line. So I'm just putting some liner there and then work fairly quickly because it does dry down. This is a little smudge brush, and I'm just going to use this smudge brush to blend out that liner. And the really nice thing about using the brush is it does not have to be perfect because you use the brush to blend it out. And then I want it a little bit darker, so I'm going to go back in with a little bit more liner. Right on top. And I'm going to blend that out a little bit more. I think this way of applying this liner is one of the easiest ways because it doesn't have to be perfect. You just get your line down and use your little smudge brush. To blend it out. And after about 1.5 minutes, this liner will dry down. That's why you want to just do one eye at a time to have enough time to blend it out before it dries. And just smooth everything out. Next, I'm going to be applying some Volume Intense waterproof mascara. So the really great thing about this mascara is that it actually helps your lashes grow up to 46%. Helps them grow thicker and longer with the product in it. So I'm just applying a little bit of mascara on my top lashes. And I'm also going to apply a little to my bottom lashes. And finally, I'm going to be using Money Lash from Lashes by Moxie Lash to just add a little final touch of lashes. Lashes actually uses something, it's a water-based liner. And you apply it directly to your eye. And with this, it's not glue, it's magnetic. It's really great for sensitive eyes. And it actually does not have to dry down at all. Your lashes have a silicone band. That is what sticks. And there's our final look. So this is just a super easy technique to use the SeneGence EyeSense pencil and how to apply it just using a little smudge eyeshadow brush.